Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I will tell you 10 lines essay about the Metal Age. Number 1. The Metal Ages is a term for the period of human civilization. Number 2. The Metal Age began around 6000 years ago. Number 3. It lasted until the Iron Age. Number 4. In this period, humans began to use metals to make tools and weapons. Number 5. The first metal used by humans was copper. Number 6. The Metal Age is divided into 3 stages. Number 7. They are the Copper Age, Bronze Age and Iron Age. Number 8. The Metal Age saw the development of new technologies. Number 9. The Metal Age also saw the rise of new forms of art and culture. Number 10. The Metal Age represents a pivotal stage in human history. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.